Hot pen, cold wind outside, gonna be a cold winter. Spring and summer passions burned out, lonely winter awaits, welcomes victims or lovers into cold arms to warm herself. Companion of loneliness, she is never alone. Never before has she had such rich company and poor. Aloneness is crowded to overfullness, she harvests her victims. Burning leaves in late fall, dropping money into collection bins, causes all around. Charity's time to collect. Containers of change, clanging copper, nickel, zinc. Account book notations. Ledger of good deeds on soul's account book. A donation to one's conscience. Sweet solace of paying the pitiful. Release of a strained emotion. Giving is good. Cut the little cord that binds you to another, your sweaty, fleshy heartache, limb-sprawling passions, headaches, and little wars, worth the price? Or solitude, sweet poison, reaches in and warms cold black heart on slim stalk, infuses it with glowing joy. Sweet solitude, free again, running singly, free to cultivate one's own character, one's own best sculpture, lighter now than alone again. Loss of love, loss of the locked hands intertwined, the interlocked hearts, millstones, the growing dependence, the frustration at falling out of step, pulling away. Rip away, let the scar heal over.